Today, we'll be discussing a critical aspect of cybersecurity, attack surfaces, and how organizations can reduce their risk exposure. An attack surface refers to the vulnerabilities, pathways, and methods that malicious actors can exploit to execute a cyber attack or gain unauthorized access to a network or sensitive data. And while cyber attacks are on the rise, it's crucial for organizations to be proactive in securing their systems. With that said, let's dive in and explore what attack surfaces are, how they differ from attack vectors, and steps organizations can take to minimize their risks. As organizations expand their digital presence and adopt new technologies, their attack surfaces become larger and more complex. It's essential for organizations to continuously monitor their attack surfaces to identify and thwart potential threats promptly. To help you grasp this a bit better, attack surfaces can be categorized into two main types: physical and digital. Physical attack surfaces include vulnerable touchpoints like computers, laptops, mobile devices, IoT gadgets, and operational hardware. Unprotected physical touchpoints can grant unauthorized access to sensitive data. Malicious insiders can also exploit their authorized access to steal information or install malware. Physical trespassing and baiting attacks are other examples of physical attack vectors. On the other hand, digital attack surfaces encompass applications, programs, ports, code, servers, and websites connected to an organization's network. Every piece of hardware and software contributes to the overall risk profile. Cyber criminals often target digital attack surfaces by exploiting outdated applications, unsecured operating systems, or vulnerabilities in software. Brute force attacks and exploiting login weaknesses are also common tactics used to breach digital attack surfaces. It's important to note the distinction between attack vectors and attack surfaces. The attack vector refers to the means by which a cybercriminal launches an attack, such as phishing emails, malicious websites, compromised software, or APIs. The attack surface, on the other hand, encompasses all the entry points within an organization, both physical and digital, that attackers can use to gain unauthorized access or disrupt operations. Now let's discuss how organizations can define their attack surfaces and take steps to reduce their risks. Defining the attack surface involves identifying all physical and virtual devices within the organization, including firewalls, switches, servers, computers, laptops, mobile devices, and printers. It's crucial to assess the data and resources stored in the cloud, on end-user devices, and on-premises systems, while also evaluating user access to gain insights into user behaviors and departmental risks. To reduce the attack surface, organizations can follow these 5 steps. Streamline the process. Disabling unused software and devices and minimizing endpoints in the network will help create a more secure environment for sensitive information. Implement a zero-trust framework. The zero-trust security model ensures that only approved personnel can access the correct resources, minimizing potential entry points into networks and safeguarding against unauthorized intrusions. Segment the network. Network segmentation introduces barriers like firewalls and microsegments networks into smaller segments, making it harder for attackers to move laterally and access sensitive data or systems. Uncover security flaws. Regular network scans and analyses provide visibility into vulnerabilities and potential issues that can be exploited by malicious actors. This enables organizations to protect their cloud-based and on-premises systems from unauthorized access. Invest in employee education. Regular cybersecurity awareness training empowers employees to recognize the signs of an attack, such as phishing emails, and strengthens the organization's overall security posture. By following these steps, organizations can significantly reduce their attack surfaces and protect themselves from cyber attackers and their expanding arsenal of threat vectors. It's crucial to safeguard valuable data and ensure that essential security protocols are being adhered to. With proactive measures, organizations can create a secure environment and mitigate potential risks. Speaking of proactive measures, Noname Security can help you shrink your attack surface, discover attack paths hackers can exploit without any integrations, installations, or implementations, and eliminate weaknesses before they are exploited. If you're interested in learning more, visit us at nonamesecurity.com.